the toys. Girls will be girls, cute ponytails and curls.